Hey you guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you would like to keep up with me, make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. Make sure you thumbs up this video and make sure you check out SavvyNaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. Miracle Glow Oil as well as Larimar Elixir, as well as our new soaps, our Almond Cherry Swirl Soap and our Activated Charcoal Peppermint and Tea Tree Oil Soap. So make sure you check that out at SavvyNaturalista.com. So in this video today, we will be doing TATA Harper's Resurfacing Mask. Now this is one of my favorite masks and it's by TATA Harper. It gives you an instant glow and it's all natural. And I wanted to share it with you guys just in case you decided that you wanted to try it but you didn't know what it did. And so instead of highlighting it in Skincare Spotlight, I decided, well, why don't we try this mask in real time? If you see, my face looks a little dry, a little ashy, a little dull, and this mask is supposed to give you an instant glow in 10 to 20 minutes. So let's run over the ingredients first and then let's talk about the mask. Now the mask is really expensive, so you could get 1 ounce for I think $80. Don't quote me, I don't have my computer in front of me, so when I let the mask dry, I'll make sure I give you guys the correct price. But I know it's about 1 ounce for $80. However, if you go to Sephora's website, they have kits now where you could get like 3 TATA Harper samples and you could get a full size for like all under $70 or like $79. So, you know, now TATA Harper is becoming a little more affordable, I would say. So yeah, you know, I'm just letting you guys know you could get like a whole kit, as I did. So I'm just letting you guys know. So the whole kit, it has like 3 and it was like $79. And then they have a mini kit where you could get like 10 or 20 of their minis, and it's a lot of product for, I think it's about $109. So I have both kits. It's cheaper than trying to buy all of their products. And what I have noticed is when I get these kits, these last me about a month. I'm still using some of them. I just like to keep them in the box because, you know, it's TATA Harper. TATA Harper is very expensive, but let's run over the ingredients of the resurfacing mask. So first ingredients, aloe vera juice. Then they have willow bark extract. They have water. They have really great ingredients in this mask. Come through, TATA Harper, come through. They have beetroot extract. Oh yes. So let me read what it says about the resurfacing mask. It says apply a thick layer over your face and your neck, leave on for 20 minutes, then rinse with warm water and you will get an instant glow. And it says use up to 3 times a week. So let's just try this beautiful luxurious mask. So when you open it, this is what you get. This is what it looks like. Then you and that's how it looks. It smells like honey, like a natural floral scent. So if you are used to smelling artificial floral scents, this may be a little different for you, but this is like what a natural floral scent looks like. It's kind of thick like honey, if you guys can see. It's like really thick. So let's just get some out. So this is what it looks like. Here we go. That's how it goes on, nice and smooth. It sort of reminds me of like a watermelon mask, but like a thicker version and more of a thicker paste of a watermelon mask. Like it reminds me of Nugs Beauty's watermelon sleeping mask, but not as watery. I hope I'm explaining myself right. I know I'm like all over the place, like expecting you to know what I'm saying, but it reminds me of Nug Beauty watermelon mask. I'm gonna leave a video because I actually reviewed that mask, but that's what it reminds me of, and it smells really good. So let's just put it on our face. It really just says apply a thick layer. It doesn't say your face has to be clean. So, you know, let's just apply it on my dull, ashy looking face. So I'm just going to use not a lot, but I'm just gonna use probably like a quarter size amount. I mean, honestly, you guys, I was this is so expensive. I was literally scraping it off and trying to put it on my face. TATA Harper is very expensive. I don't know if it's because they put their stuff in glass jars, but it's very expensive. So, you know, I'm trying to use it sparingly. It says apply a thick layer, but I don't want to apply too much because I'm like, I want to save it for more, and it's only an ounce, and I got a big head. They never, you know, people never cater to big head, big neck people. You know, you always get medium-sized people and petite people when it comes to masks. And I'm like, what about people with big heads and big necks? You know, we need a little more product. Please cater to us. Please. I was looking at a YouTuber who was like, you know, I'm really petite and I have to wear kids sizes, and you know, shout out to you. And I'm like, well, what about the big people like me who are not as petite, but you know, we're like medium build? So I know I did gain a lot of weight during my pregnancy, so I'm like trying to lose it, but I'm just saying, like, what about us? And I realized this world, you know, you can't win from losing, so just deal with it. So I'm gonna put the rest of the mask on my face. I'm gonna look in the mirror to see if I have any dry patches so I can cover my face up, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, ta-da. Okay, you guys, so we're back. The mask is officially on my face. Now it is drying a little bit, so it is drying around my lip area, just like above the lip area right here. And I want to show you guys, this is what it looks like. So this is my cheek. This is my chin. This is my nose. This is my other cheek. And this is my forehead. So I'm going to let it sit for 20 minutes. It is a very cooling mask. I don't feel any tingling sensation. No, like, you know, anything very, like, amazing. It's just a very calm, cool mask. So let's see if it gives us an instant glow. It's even drying on my skin, so it is going to dry sort of like a white cast. Not white cast, but you know, like a clear white flaky fill. It's gonna dry like that. So I'm interested to see what it looks like in 20 minutes. So I'm just gonna sit here, drink a little drink, chat a little chat. No, I'm just wait for 20 minutes and then I'll be back to show you guys what it looks like. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay, you guys, so we're back and this is the mask. I want to say this, the mask is very tight. It's not a mud mask tight, but it's tight, but not a tight to the point where you can't talk. It's like a drunk elephant baby TLC Sakari mask tight, if that makes sense. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Can you guys see? And this is with just natural ingredients that they did this. It's also not like a peel-off mask tight, if that makes sense. I'm sorry, you guys, but if that makes sense, it's not that tight. It's just very tight, but you know, you could still talk. So this is what it looks like. It's not uncomfortable. That's what I mean. It's not uncomfortable. But this is what it looks like. You guys see the little flaking right here? Okay, so I'm going to go rinse it off, and we're going to see if my face gets an instant glow. But I will say, it's really tight that I feel lifting, but not uncomfortable. Like, I really like this mask. I'm able to talk, and it doesn't, like, peel or crack, if you get what I mean. So let's just go rinse it off. Okay, you guys, so we're back. The mask is officially off my face. This is what my face looks like. So this is this cheek. Oh my God, come through, glow. This is my nose. This is my chin. This is my other cheek. And this is my forehead. So this is what my face looks like. So I'm gonna dry my face and do another close-up, and then we could talk about it. Okay, you guys, so we're back, and this is what my face looks like. So this is my cheek. Can you guys see that glow? Wow, come through, TATA Harper. This is my chin, nose, and forehead. Wow. Wow, my skin tone is even out. out with that stuff. Come through, Tata. Come through. Well, let's talk about it. As always, you guys, for my moisturizer of choice, I will be using Larimar Elixir. You can find Larimar Elixir at SavvyNaturalista.com. Larimar Elixir contains all natural blue tansy essential oil, so make sure you check that out at SavvyNaturalista.com, as well as our soaps, our new almond cherry swirl soap, our new activated charcoal peppermint and tea tree oil zinger soap. So make sure you check that out at SavvyNaturalista.com. Okay, you guys, so let's talk about this mask. So I really like this mask. I'm actually going to give it a 9 out of 10 Shandera stamp of approval. And the reason why I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10 is because on my neck I felt just a little slight irritation to make me want to scratch my neck, but I'm not gonna scratch it. So I don't know what the irritation is from. Maybe because it has BHA in it, so it's really strong, and because of that the irritation kind of reminds me of Drunken Elephant's Baby Sakari mask. So yeah, it's about that same sort of irritation, but I didn't feel it during the whole mask, but after I rinsed the mask off my face, I sort of felt the irritation from the mask. So I'm just letting you know, if you do have both masks, you may not want to use them when you use the other one, if I'm making sense. So if you use the Baby Sakari, you may want to wait a week ahead to use this mask. But this is a wonderful mask. It is $69 for 1 ounce of the mask. I think I used just a little bit too much of the mask, because I'm like, I have an ounce of it. I'm like, my jar is almost halfway gone, you know. So next time I use it, what I probably do is add a thin layer. Even though it says apply a thick layer, I think next time I will add a thin layer of this mask instead of a thick layer, because maybe that also had a lot to deal with the irritation I have on my skin right now. But other than that, my skin looks really good. Even when I put Larimar Elixir on, it's literally penetrating into my skin, and it's not sitting on the surface of my skin like certain masks do. So normally when I use any type of mask, I notice that Larimar Elixir or Miracle Glow oil will literally sit on my face after the mask. With this one, it's literally penetrating into my skin. So TATA Harper did a wonderful job on this mask, and I think if you are going natural, you should want to try this. Side note, the scent is a very honey floral scent, so it's not too floral. It's more like a honey, like a manuka honey. If you've ever smelled what manuka honey smells like, it's sort of like a floral honey scent. Yeah, if that makes sense. I hope I'm making sense. With that being said, I really hope it doesn't have any fragrance. I'm literally looking at the ingredients right now, and I don't see any fragrance in this mask. However, it smells like it has fragrance. So it could be because of the, oh, it does. It has an aroma. They put aroma. So yeah, aroma. I don't know what aroma is, but it says aroma on the ingredient list. So with that being said, it does have a scent. It could be honey. It could be floral. I don't know, but it does say aroma. So it does have a scent, but it's a great floral / honey scent. It's really light. If you are sensitive to fragrances, you could still, you would be able to tolerate this because it's really good. It's not perfumey. It's natural. So I think you'll enjoy it. With that being said, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you check out SavvyNaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. Make sure you thumbs up this video, and have you ever tried TATA Harper? Let me know in the comments down below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. And girl, make sure that skin is glowing. Love you so much. Bye, you guys. Mwah.